Transform dim corners of your home with the glow of silverleaf houseplants. Their striking tones complement any decor beautifully. If you are looking to enhance your indoor collection with a subtle shimmer, these elegant plants bring sophistication, charm, and a refined touch that instantly elevates the overall look of your living space. Let's quickly explore the best silver leaf indoor plants. Alocasia silver dragon is a striking silver leaf indoor plant known for its compact size and exotic beauty. Its thick, textured leaves have a unique silvery green surface with dark, pronounced veins, creating a dragon scale effect. This rare appearance makes it a standout in any indoor plant collection. It thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers warm, humid conditions similar to tropical forests. Well-draining soil and careful watering are essential to prevent root issues. Like many silver foliage plants, it reflects light beautifully, adding elegance and brightness to interiors. Alocasia silver dragon is perfect for plant lovers seeking something bold, rare, and decorative. Watermelon peperomia. Peperomia argyrea is a stunning silver leaf indoor plant that instantly catches attention with its unique foliage pattern. Its glossy, oval leaves are marked with silver stripes and rich green curves, resembling the skin of a watermelon. This natural design makes it feel like a living piece of art inside your home. Perfect for indoor styling, it adds a fresh, modern, and calming vibe to any space. It grows compact and slow, making it ideal for tabletops, shelves, or small corners. It enjoys bright, indirect light and needs only light watering, making it easy and beginner-friendly to care for. In a silver leaf plant collection, watermelon peperomia stands out as a soft, elegant contrast, bringing texture, shine, and visual rhythm to your indoor garden. Silver Saturn pothos or Scindapsus pictus is a captivating silver leaf indoor plant admired for its soft, velvety foliage. The heart-shaped leaves are decorated with irregular silver patterns that shimmer beautifully under light, giving it a luxurious Saturn finish. This trailing plant naturally cascades, making it perfect for shelves, wall planters, or hanging pots. It adapts well to indoor conditions and grows steadily with minimal care. It prefers bright, indirect light but can tolerate lower light levels. Light watering is enough, as it dislikes soggy soil. With its elegant texture and flowing vines, it brings a calm, stylish, and modern greenery feel indoors. Begonia silver dollar. It looks like nature has pressed silver coins onto soft green velvet leaves. Each round leaf carries a muted metallic glow that changes with light, giving it a gentle shimmer indoors. Unlike flashy plants, its beauty is calm, subtle, and artistic. It grows in a compact form, forming a living cluster that feels delicate yet expressive. It enjoys warm, humid air and bright, filtered light to maintain its soft texture. The soil should stay slightly moist but never wet. This begonia brings a quiet luxury to indoor spaces, perfect for creating a peaceful, elegant plant corner. Aluminum plant. Pilia cadiere minima is a compact silver leaf indoor plant with striking green foliage marked by bold metallic silver patches. These reflective markings give the leaves a fresh, bright appearance, making the plant stand out even in low-light indoor spaces. It grows in a dense, bushy form, ideal for pots and small decorative corners. It prefers bright, indirect light and consistent moisture with well-draining soil. Avoid overwatering, as roots are sensitive to soggy conditions. Regular pruning helps maintain its shape and encourages fuller growth. This plant adds a clean, crisp silver accent to any indoor plant collection without requiring difficult care. Silver sword philodendron. Philodendron hastatum. Long, narrow leaves shaped like polished blades give this plant its name. The surface carries a soft silver blue tone that looks almost reflective under light. Unlike many leafy indoor plants, its growth feels more structured and upward, especially when supported as it climbs. It adapts well to indoor environments and grows steadily with indirect light. The soil should be kept lightly moist but never soggy. As it matures, the leaves become larger and more defined, adding stronger visual impact over time. New leaves often emerge with a slightly brighter silver shade before deepening in color as they mature. Over time, it develops a strong architectural form that naturally draws attention even in a minimal indoor setup. Sansevieria moonshine. Sansevieria moonshine is a beautiful silver leaf indoor plant recognized for its tall, upright leaves in a soft silvery green shade. The smooth, matte surface gives it a calm, glowing appearance that stands out in both modern and traditional interiors. Its simple form creates a clean and elegant visual impact without needing much attention. This plant is extremely hardy and can survive in low light as well as bright indirect light, making it very adaptable for indoor spaces. Watering should be minimal, only when the soil is completely dry. Overwatering must be avoided. It is low maintenance, air purifying, and long-lasting. Calathea setosa grey star. Soft grey-green leaves with fine silvery patterns make this plant stand out in indoor collections. The broad foliage has a velvety texture, while the underside shows a gentle purple tone, adding subtle contrast. Unlike many still plants, its leaves slightly move with light changes, giving a sense of life and rhythm indoors. It thrives in warm, humid conditions with bright, indirect light and evenly moist soil. Avoid dryness and direct sun for best growth. Regular misting helps maintain healthy foliage. This plant brings a calm, natural elegance that enhances indoor green spaces effortlessly. Silver vase plant. Echmea fasciata. With its bold rosette of stiff, arching leaves marked by soft silver banding, this bromeliad creates a strong sculptural presence indoors. The central vase naturally collects water, making it both decorative and functional. When mature, it produces a striking pink flower spike that lasts for weeks and becomes the highlight of the plant. It grows best in bright, indirect light with good airflow. The central cup should always contain fresh water, while the soil remains only slightly moist. Easy to maintain and long-lasting, it adds a tropical, modern statement to indoor plant arrangements. Brandy philodendron. Philodendron branchinum. Heart-shaped leaves with soft olive green tones and natural silver marbling make this philodendron a delicate yet striking indoor plant. Each leaf has a unique pattern, where silvery patches seem painted by nature, giving it a subtle glowing effect under indoor light. As a trailing plant, it grows gracefully over time, creating a lush cascading look in hanging pots or shelves. It prefers bright, indirect light to enhance its silver markings and grows well in warm, humid conditions. The soil should be lightly moist with good drainage, avoiding excess water. Easy to care for, it brings a soft, elegant silver-green texture to indoor plant collections. String of hearts. Ceropegia woodii. Is a delicate trailing indoor plant known for its thin vines and small heart-shaped leaves. The foliage shows soft green tones with a subtle silver-gray marbling that gives it a light, shimmering appearance under indoor lighting. As it grows, the long cascading stems create an elegant waterfall effect, perfect for hanging displays. It thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers dry conditions between waterings. Overwatering should be avoided as the plant stores moisture in its stems. Easy to grow and fast-spreading, it adds a soft silver-green flow and romantic touch to indoor plant collections.